Here we go. It sure is damp out here. It's very cold. Hey, look at that. Well, there's ice over there. But look at that. There are artist conch growing on that tree. See that white thing there? There's a few there. If I were really into it, you know, blah, 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 paint it and all that. Okay, let's check out the ice. I'm there. It's very damp on my face. Should we go this way? I never go this way. As you can see, there's no path. It would be pretty. Let's try it. And I have a camera in my pocket. Used to be a path right along there. The ground is frozen. What's this? That's a lawn chair. Ha! This is almost like raffia, isn't it? Look at how that tree looks so dark too. There, okay. The bubbles are frozen. Guess that's what happens when it's freezing outside. Okay, shall we make a new video so it won't be so long? I think so. Goodbye.